Right, so we've got our nocks done now. We've got the bow back on the tiller, we've got a string fitted. As you can see, I've drawn the bow now to around about 22 inches. Just so you can actually see how the tiller is at the moment. We're still very slightly stiff on the bottom end, but I'm quite happy to leave that as it is now. You will notice that it looks like it's bending a little bit too much here. Well, at this draw length it probably is. The centre really hasn't started to move yet. I'll show you in a moment as I start to bring the bow down to around 26 to 28. You'll start to see this section here and here start to move, and all of this will start to look like a much smoother curve. So I'll do that now so you can see. Okay, whether or not you saw that, I hope you did. When it was down at around 26 inches, this area started to move. What I will do is I'll get Rich now just to take that down, and as he's pulling it down, I'll point out the areas where it's starting to move. The further we go down, the more the centre section will be moving. So Rich, if you can just start to move this down. Take it to 24 first. So at 24 now you can see it's starting to move here and here. This doesn't look as bad anymore as it did earlier. So if you just release her off now. Okay, that's fine enough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get Rich to take it down to 28 inches now. We're not going to hold it there for very long because I don't really want to put too much stress on this bow at this point. When it goes down, what you will start to see is it's bending from here now. This will all start to move at around 28 inches, leaving the last parts where it bends through the handle right down at 32. So I'll get Rich to take it down once to 28, back off, and then up to 30, back off, and then up to 32, so you can see that. I'll just move out of the way just in case it blows up. Okay, we'll leave that like that. The tiller looks nice now, I'm quite happy with it. We haven't quite hit the £100 mark. We've hit around about 90 at 32. So for this bow's pretty much done now. So we're now just sanding it, get it to a nice finish, and then we'll varnish it. So that's tillering for you.